So friends, to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, this expression will just break it down by step solution and solve the expression inside the bracket first. Inside the bracket, we have both multiplication and subtraction. So according to BODMAS, we perform the multiplication first. So multiplication 26 multiplied by 14. Now we use Vedic math trick. By crisscross multiplication, we get the answer in just a one line. 4 6 are 24, 2 will be carry over, 1 6 are 6, 2 4 are 8 and 8 and 6 14 plus 2 16. 1 will be carry over, 2 1s are 1, 2 into 1 that is 2 plus 1 3. So 364 will get the answer and after we'll do subtraction. So 364 minus 7 and we'll get 357. Now the expression becomes it's 357 and divided by 21. So after we'll get unknown number. So after dividing we'll get 17 and 17 is the calculated value. So looking at the given options, since 17 is not listed in the options A, B and C, so the correct choice is none of all of these. So the D option is the correct. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.